In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix keyboard not working on Intel laptop. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when specific keyboard keys on your laptop stop responding, the issue is typically caused by a frozen hardware driver loop, a stuck filter keys accessibility setting, or physical debris. So what you want to do firstly is turn off filter keys. So we're going to go ahead and type in settings like so, and then click on accessibility, which is going to be on the left side. Scroll down on the right side under the interaction section block, and then go ahead and click on keyboard, which is going to be towards the very bottom. Now locate the row labeled filter keys and switch the toggle to off. You want to make sure filter keys and sticky keys is turned off. Now try typing again and see if that works for you. What you can also do is force uninstall the keyboard driver node. So what you want to do is right click the start menu, then go over to device manager, and then scroll down, and then you're going to see keyboards as one of the options, and you're going to see any of your devices or HID device. Right click it and then uninstall the device. Then restart your laptop immediately using your mouse or touchscreen, and then during the boot sequence, Windows will scan your laptop's physical motherboard connections and automatically reinstall a fresh copy of your native keyboard driver and clear hung input loops. And yeah, it's as simple as that.